Hi everybody, I'm Shalmali and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I create videos on self-development and personal growth. In today's video, I'm going to show you how a typical Sunday at home looks like. On Sundays, I wake up without an alarm, but I make sure that I follow my morning routine. After completing the morning routine, I get into my hiking shoes. Yes, you guessed it right. Sundays are for morning hikes. I have been grateful enough to experience a sunrise hike. It's been a peaceful experience that sets me in a positive mindset for the rest of the day. On this typical Sunday, we drove for around 25 minutes from the home, along with the sun shining bright, and reached this beautiful destination. Every once in a while, it's worth the effort to get up and meet the sun, especially if you can make it to a scenic landscape like this. Sunrise provides some of the most striking light all day, so even familiar sights can look special while bathed in the morning glow. The sun shining bright in the sky, leaves dancing in the air, and birds flying high in the sky, and a mesmerizing view in front of me. What else do I need on a Sunday morning? After completing this hike, it was now time to leave home. We drove back for around 25 minutes and reached home, and then started with the normal Sunday routine. And after a long Sunday shower, we get into some cooking. Yes, making breakfast. Sunday breakfast have something special, something new, something out of the routine, and something tasty. And what if this tasty breakfast is accompanied by a cup of coffee? It's definitely a bonus. A cup of coffee makes it all worth it. Sitting with breakfast and brewing cup of coffee is definitely an agenda on Sunday morning. And then after a stomach full of breakfast, we get on to the Sunday ritual. Yes, you can call it as a ritual. On Sundays, I usually accompany my mom for vegetable and supermarket shopping. Here's me packing all the shopping essentials. And there we go. After the shopping, I came home, had lunch, and now I have settled down for my work. I don't usually work on Sundays, but I had to review some work, send out some important mails, and design a few posts. Post work time is for a quick afternoon nap. I don't usually get to nap on Sundays, and that is why a quick afternoon nap is always on the list on Sunday. Tell me this, is Sunday a Sunday if you don't clean or declutter? Yes, you guessed it right. That's the next task. Due to previous work allotments, I haven't been able to find time in the last week to declutter and put my clothes into the wardrobe. This is seeming to be a long process, but yes, here we go. Book, a cup of coffee or milk, and the birds returning to their house. Does this sound like a perfect Sunday evening? Yes, it does. Have you ever wanted to experience this importance of the tiny little things in your life? Come on, you don't always have to sit by the beach or on the top of the mountain to experience a perfect sunset. All you have to do is just grab a cup of coffee or milk, rush to your terrace, and sit down, mesmerizing the awe inspiring colors. The sun sets and rises every single day, no matter where you are. Let me repeat myself, every single day. You have to be really grateful because sunset put you in a better mood. Hashtag good vibes? Yes, hashtag good vibes. And that's it, friends. That's how a typical Sunday at home looks like for me. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel to watch videos every week. The comments and the love you're showering upon me makes me really overwhelmed. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon in the next week. Bye bye.